Welcome back. Our top story of the day. Actor Salman Khan will not go to jail today. The Mumbai High Court has granted him interim bail till Friday after a sessions court sentenced him to 5 years in prison for culpable homicide in a 2002 hit-and-run case. The 49-year-old actor broke down in court as the judge pronounced the sentence. This morning, the Mumbai trial court found the actor guilty of drunkenly driving his SUV over homeless men sleeping on a pavement in Mumbai 13 years ago. While one man had died, 4 were injured. Well, we've been getting reactions from around the country to the verdict, while the Bollywood fraternity and many within Bollywood have stood by Salman Khan, expressing their solidarity with him at this time. We also have a number of people who are saying that justice has been served and the verdict has reaffirmed their faith in the judiciary. So mixed reactions coming from around the country. We'll be going across to reporters from different cities. Joining me now, Sam Daniel from Chennai. Sam, over to you.
Thank you, Shweta. And Salman Khan may not have a huge fan following in Tamil Nadu, just like actors Rajinikanth and Kamal Hassan, but a lot of people here have been tracking this particular case to see what kind of verdict will the court give. And largely people are quite happy that although he is a high-profile actor, the court has taken a tough stand and has given him the right punishment, what it deemed to be fit. And recently, even Tamil Nadu witnessed a very high-profile conviction in the case of Ms. Jayalalitha, former Chief Minister. I have with me a cross-section of Chennaites, young Chennaites, Manasa, a student, Praveen, an IT professional, and Siddharth, a law student. So how would you look at this?
I think mainly what we need to focus is the backlash this has caused, and the people who are coming out in support of Salman Khan really need to look at the facts of the case. How many of them have read arguments of the defense and the prosecution? And this is nothing but fanaticism, and this should really stop, and we should accept that the justice has prevailed.
Ravina?
Perfect. I mean, a lot of people have come out and said that people on the platform, just because you're lying on the platform, they deserve to die. And someone's come and said that he's being extremely philanthropic. He's come out to help people. Yes, he's a hero. He's helping people, which is why he should set a perfect example. If that's the turn that's been given to him, he should go ahead and serve it, accept the conviction because it's proven beyond guilt, beyond doubt. So he needs to go ahead, serve it, come back as a good human being and be a hero, even in real life.
So that's 5-year conviction, 5-year jail term, but still he wouldn't go to jail today.
Exactly. Well, legally speaking, I like to tell this judgment has proved to be a boon and bane of sorts. Bane because one, punishment is very harsh, 5 years. If you look at the similar case which has been cited by the court today, the Alistair Pereira case, 7 people were rammed down and only 3 years of judgment, 3 years of sentence was given by the Supreme Court bench. And one more, the object of punishment is to reform a person. And over this year, 12 years, he has reformed. And again, if you look why it is boon, well, for a layman to get a matter listed at the same day when the punishment is given at 2 o'clock is impossible. Here in Salman Khan's case, the Bombay High Court took up the matter on the same day, listed and heard it, and they gave him interim relief for 4 days. For the layman, it is impossible. So the wheels of justice have moved very fast.
Right. So mixed reactions, people largely welcoming the verdict, asking Salman to accept it. Also some raising the point that he has been given a kind of undue favor by giving him bail on the same day.
All right, Sam, do stay with us. We've also got Maya Sharma joining us from Bengaluru. Maya, you heard what people in Chennai are really saying. They believe that he should also turn into a hero in real life, go ahead and serve his sentence. For now, at least, he's got bail for 2 days. Maya?
That's right, Shweta. A celebrity of the magnitude of Salman Khan, even if the fan bases may be varying in size across the country, that interest level certainly there. And I know that people in Bengaluru as well were tuning in to find out what happened, and well, the verdict was out. Guilty, 5-year sentences. What is your response to what has happened to Salman?
Well, 13 years wait is a long time sitting on a needle, and I think he has gone through a lot in these 13 years. Well, the punishment, he deserves it because it's a crime that he has done. 1 and 2, what I feel is, well, it was an accident, it was not a murder. So the law should be taken accordingly. And most important thing which I feel is the verdict, and the Supreme Court should take a call on him as a human, not as a superstar.
As a human, not as a superstar. I mean, we've seen a whole lot of support from Bollywood and places saying he's done so much, he's such a philanthropist. Do you think that should have weighed, or do you just feel justice has been served?
If you look at this situation, someone was killed, so you need to look at this case a situation of two people. So the person murdered does deserve justice, and I think that's why he does deserve the 5-year sentence.
No special treatment for a celebrity. What do you feel about this? What has happened today?
See, he's a good actor and he's a good human being. He's done a lot for the humanity and a lot of social causes. But on the other level, he has done, he has done a mistake and he has to pay. And whatever the consequence, he has to face it with courage. We just pray that his family will have the strength to face the days ahead.
There was a victim also. Those families also have been affected as well. The man who died, people who were injured.
Yeah, surely justice has been done.
Well, what are your thoughts on this? The superstar, he's getting a lot of support from the Bollywood fraternity. Your thoughts on what has happened today, the sentencing?
This has panned out to be a whirlwind of a trial with its own twists and turns. But ultimately, I feel justice has prevailed, though it took 13 years. But we've got justice and we should be happy that we are all treated equally.
All treated equally. Some people are saying that because he's so famous, in fact, they might have been a little harsher. Others saying that he's been out so long, that he's got bail so fast because he's a celebrity. So mixed views really on whether celebrity hurt or helped him.
I think being a celebrity would have had a little bit of a harsher treatment towards him because a 5-year imprisonment. But then again, I think ultimately justice should prevail and we should all consider it that way.
Absolutely. Now, your thoughts on the support that he's getting from Bollywood? You've seen lots of tweets really saying he's such a great guy. Our thoughts are with him. Are people forgetting the victims?
Well, yeah, they have forgotten the victims. They have been overpowered by his superstardom. But then we shouldn't forget that there is more than 300 crores riding on him right now. As a person, I would say that he should be given a chance to complete those films that he's been doing. And then the punishment should be imposed. Otherwise, you are punishing the whole lot of other people who have been betting on him.
But money and a human life?
Of course, yes, that has to be taken care of. But then at the same time, the punishment can come into force and no more films to be signed. On and off, like Sanjay Dutt has been given chance to come out and do his films. Something similar can happen to Salman also.
Do you agree with that? Should he be allowed to complete his film?
I don't think so. There's no point in waiting for justice. I really don't think so.
Don't agree with that. I mean, like...
Not at all.
No, I don't think. I think he has to face the consequences and he has to do it immediately. Because 13 years has been a long time.
Absolutely. And the whole angle of saying suddenly the driver was produced last minute saying he had done. Now, even if, like you were saying, it was not a deliberate killing or anything like that, but the production of that driver, how would his supporters try to explain that?
Well, I would say that it is all playing with the law and the way Indian government takes things, and then someone coming forward and saying that I have done it and not him is very much filmy, if you ask me. It's not something which happens abroad where a person comes and says hang me because he's a superstar and he has helped me do things. All these things makes a difference.
Absolutely. Now, filmy, you mentioned it yourself. There's somebody else saying I did this.
So I felt the entire trial was very dramatic. Ashok Singh coming up and saying I committed it, and a lot of twists and turns, and it was a very filmy trial according to me.
You Salman Khan ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ? Salman Khan
ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಅವರು ಗಿಲ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್.
He's saying he should be released. ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು?
ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay, now this auto driver is saying that Salman Khan is a good man and that he should be fan.
ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್.
One fan here of Salman Khan saying that he should be released. So really mixed views from Bengaluru, but largely the impression being given here is that justice has really been done, that it has taken a long time. One suggestion that to be allowed to finish his films because so much money is riding on him, but not everybody agrees that even a superstar should be given that kind of leeway.
Right, Maya, indeed, mixed reactions and number of reasons that people are pointing out to. We've got reactions from Chennai and Bangalore. Let's move to Delhi. Bhairavi standing by with a number of people. Bhairavi, over to you.
Well, that's right, Shweta. Let me go straight across to the people here and ask them for their opinion. Salman Khan's verdict today, 5 years in jail, but of course he's going to appeal in the higher courts. What do you think about this?
I do feel bad for him because I think genuinely he is a nice person. But having said that, this will definitely send a very strong message to the masses that nobody can go beyond the Supreme Court, whatever the verdict is.
Yeah.
So I guess it's a balanced opinion from my side that it's good and bad both, happy and sad both.
Right. A lot of people are saying that celebrity status leads to both good and bad because there's a lot of focus. So people, the courts make an example of you. And also it might be harsh, but some say that justice has been served.
That's a witch hunt normally would happen with a star celebrity. Probably if it was an ordinary person, he may have gone free with the years in jail. But since he's Salman Khan, so he's got 5 years, he should have got imprisonment, but not so severe.
You think it's severe?
I think it's very severe.
But justice delayed for 12 years?
Very bad. That's our justice system. So it's very severe for Salman either way because he's had to wait so many years to be told that he's going to go to jail. If he had been told this when the act was performed, he would have not had to go through this trauma for these so many years.
But delay was from both the prosecution and the defense, and so many say that the victims also have had to wait for so long.
No, that I don't agree. That's the justice system of the country. It's not Salman's fault. It's the justice system that needs to be taken into. Actually, the judge should be hauled up for letting it be prolonged so long. Why shouldn't the system be hauled up?
What do you think about this? There are a lot of Salman Khan fans all over this country. What do you think about this judgment?
I also feel very bad because he's one of the best celebrity we have in film industry. I mean, they are going to pay for it, film industry and other people also and he's a good charity person. He really believes in, charities and all. So I really feel bad about him. He's a very genuine person. I know he's a short-tempered, but in a way, see, if you have to do something wrong, you have to really pay for it.
Yeah, so he has to pay for it, right?
Yeah.
You agree with that?
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
I am so feeling very bad.
Yeah, you're
because
feeling bad.
because my favorite star is Salman Khan, and I'm feeling so sad.
You're feeling very bad because Salman Khan is your favorite fan. I have some boys here also. आपको क्या लगता है आज का जो verdict है? What do you think about it?
The verdict is it's actually कुछ यूज इतना ज़्यादा भी 5 years का तो नहीं करना चाहिए था उनको, बट फिर भी 5 years आजकल रोज़ लोग मरते हैं, रोज़ ट्रक वाले, रोज़ गाड़ी वाले लोग उड़ा के भाग जाते हैं, बट उनको कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता, वो सारे अपने आराम से घर बैठे हुए हैं. बट सलमान खान ने उड़ाया तो बस ये ज़्यादा थोड़ी एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं केस. द जस्टिस इज वेरी रॉन्ग.
5 years for culpable homicide. Some would say it's not that harsh also. इतना भी strong नहीं है ये verdict. कहेंगे ठीक है. आपको क्या लगता है?
It's basically it's not harsh actually if you see it, but the thing is that अगर बाकी लोग भी करते हैं तो उनका भी होना चाहिए basically. It's just Salman Khan because he's a celebrity, so the media, the government, they won't leave him. The system would kill him for that first, and they won't go to the other people who do that as well. There's truck drivers who do that. So it's just an unfair thing to do.
So Shweta, a lot of people saying that of course the judgment is fair in the fact that there was of course a case against him and that he is culpable, he should get punishment, but they're also saying that the celebrity aspect plays in and that's probably why there's so much focus on him, and of course an example is made out of him as well.
All right, Bhairavi, Maya and Sam, do stay with us. We're going to slip into a quick break at this point, but we're bringing you live shots from the Galaxy Apartments. We're waiting to see, of course, if Salman Khan has reached there. Remember, he has now got 2 days of interim bail by the Mumbai High Court after a Sessions Court had pronounced the 5-year sentence. So those are live images coming to you from the Galaxy Apartments. Time for a quick break. Back with plenty more on this story.